The French Revolution. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon dynasty ascended the throne of France. He was 20 years old and married to an Austrian princess. After the long years of war and the other causes, it led to the royal treasury of the kingdom to be emptied, and made the king to take some strict decisions like increasing taxes. According to an old regime, in 1789, the first estate named clergy, the second estate named the nobility, and the third estate including the peasants, traders, and other people. Paying the tax was difficult for peasants because they made the 90% of population of France, and this eventually led to the subsistence crisis. Harsh winters, bad harvest, and increase in taxes led to the increase in subsistence crisis. Philosophers' books like Two Treatises of Government, John Locke sought to refute doctrine of absolute monarchy. Rousseau proposed the form of government based on social contract between the people and their representatives. In the spirit of laws, Montesquieu proposed a division power within the government between legislative, executive, and judiciary, continuing to influence people with their writing works. Louis XVI increased the taxes, leading to the first outbreak of revolution. On 5 May 1789, he called the Assembly of States General. When he rejected their demand of one man, one vote, the members walked out of the assembly. On 20th June, they took a tennis court oath and declared themselves as National Assembly. While National Assembly was busy at Versailles drafting a constitution, the first step of revolution started as subsistence crisis was not about to end. After spending hours on the bakery but not getting a bread, women stormed into the shops. On 14 July, the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. The National Assembly abolished the feudal system on 4th August 1789 and decreased the powers and privileges of the king. In 1791, the National Assembly completed the draft of constitution. It began with the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. For right to vote, only men about 25 years who paid higher taxes were allowed. France abolished monarchy and became a republic by 21 September 1792. Louis XVI was sentenced to death and was executed on 21 January 1793. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as Reign of Terror. Robespierre followed a strict policy of punishment. People who disagreed with his decisions were guillotined. After a lot of criticism, he was finally convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested, and guillotined. After the fall of Jacobin government, a new constitution was introduced as a directory rule with an execution of 5 members. Continuing the revolution and new rights, many women fought for their rights too, but they got their rights after 2 centuries in 1946. The triangular slave trade began in 17th century. It was 18th century when started the criticism of slavery in France. After many debates, it was finally abolished in 1848. As the Directory government faced political instability in 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as emperor. He introduced many laws such as the protection of private property and the decimal systems too. He found himself as modernizer of Europe. People thought of him as a liberator, but soon Napoleon armies come to viewed everywhere as an invading force. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. And thus the French Revolution ended. Thank you.